Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how you can use RooCode free of cost in your VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this will basically help you to use any of your coding task with the help of AI free of cost. So I will show you. So first of all, what you need to do, first you need to open up the root code. Okay, so that you can download it from the Chrome, that VS Code extension. So here you can see in the left hand side, this extension symbols are there. Okay, so here you need to type root code extension, so it will show you the different RooCode extension. So right now it is this RooCode, like a kangaroo icon will be there, and you can see it has almost 1 million downloads. So it's pretty good and it's pretty fast. Okay, so once you download it, so it will look like something this kind of things. Okay, it will open up and it will ask you to set up your settings. Okay, so this would be a radio button. It will show you various API providers. Okay, and this will be the entry point for you. Now, if you want to use this as your coding assistant, it is not at all a coding assistant alone. Now it is like the agentic tool. So agentic tool in the sense it is performing a task on behalf of you. So that's why I'm calling it agentic tool. Okay, so in order to use this free, what you need to do, you need to create an account with OpenRouter. Okay, let me take you to the openrouter.ai. Okay, so if you go to this openrouter.ai, so you will see this kind of uh, windows. Okay, and in this website you have to prepare you have to set up your new account, and just make sure your account is ready. Okay, once you set up the new account, you need to click on this models. Okay, so in this models, you can see various LLM provider have set up their models over here. So you can say this is basically the marketplace for LLM models which are in the market. And left hand side, you can see the context length and prompt pricing. So this is very critical things. Since you want a free, so you just drill down to zero, or you can say free. Okay, prompt pricing free. So you can see these are the latest models which are available on Open Router Marketplace with free of cost price. Okay, so this is where you have to be very careful. Now, this model I will choose it. Before that, what I will do, I will go, I'll click another tab, and I will click on this Quai Pilot Cat Code Pro model, which is free. Okay, so in order to access this, I need to create first the API key. So how I can create API key? I can go to this setting icon and click on this key. So here you will see the various keys are available. So I have created this many keys. You, for your case, you can create your key. Say for example, click on this API key, give some name, sample demo, whatever you want to do. Anyway, this will be one time exercise. That leave other options as it is and click on create. So your API key will be created and you need to save this API key anyway. So copy that API key. Okay, once you have copied this API key, what you need to do, you come to this VS code. Okay, and in the API provider, select open router and paste your key over here. Once you paste this key, you will be prompt to choose the model. So in this model section, what you can do, you can just type free. So it will list you all the free models which are available. Okay, so here I can see there are many free models are available, and which model you need to use. You can check a user guide over here. Okay, here you can see the latest model and the token that has been consumed and which are recently popular. So right now I can see this model is very popular. Okay, so I will copy this name and I will go to the VS Code and I will try to paste this model. So you can see this model is available. So I will choose that model, save, connect. So my RooCode agent is ready. Okay, agentic tool is ready, to be more precise. So I want to type something. Say, hey, can you make a modular Streamlit app for me, which can display. Say I want to show some kind of calculator. Okay, calculator app. So uh, I can see it has various agentic skills, like it is defining the number of tasks it needs to do. It understands the context, and it is automatically creating the calculator file which I have given the instruction, and at the end of it, it will create the Streamlit app. So this is what make this code as a fantastic. So yeah, let's wait for this task to get completed. So here you can see automatically it has created. Now in your case, it might ask you the number of permissions to execute. Okay, in this case, you need to just go, you need to give it all these relevant permissions. And yeah, so yours would be good to go. And if you want to give the auto permission, then you can click on this YOLO, okay, and click all as a options as a enable, and enable it. So it will automatically perform the task which you have given to him. If I choose in the left hand side, I can see that it has created the calculator app. In that case, it has configured the various Python libraries, and now it is creating the requirement file in order to run it. So this is a fantastic tool, which is purely following your business natural prompt. And yeah, so it will create a Streamlit app. So now it is asking me to run the command. Okay, so hopefully it will perform this task. So this is what the fantastic Roo code is there. You can use it for free of cost. Hope you like this video, and if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video.